1. General knowledge. 1. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer A. Rabindranath Tagore. 2. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Answer C. Canberra. 3. The first battle of Panipat was fought in
C. 1761. D. 1857. Answer A. 1526. 4. The largest freshwater lake in the world is A. Caspian Sea. B. Lake Victoria. C. Lake Superior. D. Lake Baikal. Answer C. Lake Superior. 5. Who was known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 6. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. Answer B. Maharashtra. 7. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Yamuna. B. Kosi. C. Brahmaputra. D. Ganga. Answer B. Kosi. 8. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Thomas Edison. C. James Watt. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer Alexander Graham Bell. No. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yen. B. Won. C. Dollar. D. Baht. Answer Yen. Thus, the head of the Indian judiciary is A. A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Attorney General. Answer C. Chief Justice of India. Though English language. 11. Choose the correct synonym for diligent. A. Lazy. B. Hardworking. C. Careless. D. Slow. Answer B. Hardworking. 12. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Commitment. B. Commitment. C. Commitment. D. Commitment. Answer B. Commitment. 13. Choose the correct passive voice. He wrote a novel. A novel is written by him. B. A novel was written by him. C. A novel has been written by him. D. A novel is being written by him. Answer B. A novel was written by him. 14. Find the correct sentence. A. She don't like ice cream. B. She doesn't like ice cream. C. She not like ice cream. D. She hasn't like ice cream. Answer B. She doesn't like ice cream. 15. Fill in the blank. The bird is sitting the tree. A. In. B. On. C. Under. D. Between. Answer B. On. 16. Choose the correct antonym for brave. A. Cowardly. B. Bold. C. Fearless. D. Strong. Answer A. Cowardly. 17. What does the idiom hit the nail on the head mean? A. To do something perfectly. B. To break something. C. To hammer a nail. D. To fight. Answer A. To do something perfectly. 18. Choose the correct article. He is honest man. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article. Answer B. An. 19. Identify the plural form of analysis. A. Analyses. B. Analyses. C. Analysis. D. Analyses. Answer B. Analyses. B's. Choose the correct sentence. A. The scissors is new. B. The scissors are new. C. The scissors be new. D. The scissors has new. Answer B. The scissors are new. Theme. Science. Pickies. What is the C unit of force? A. Pascal. B. Joule. C. Newton. D. Watt. Answer C. Newton. Bias. What is the main gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Nitrogen. 23. What is the chemical formula of water? A. H2O. B. C. NaCl. D. CH4. Answer A. H2O. 24. Who discovered gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer B. Isaac Newton. 25. What is the function of red blood cells? A. Transport oxygen. B. Fight infections. C. Help in digestion. D. Produce hormones. Answer A. Transport oxygen. 26. What vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D. 27. Which metal is used in making electrical wires? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Aluminum. D. Zinc. Answer B. Copper. 28. What type of blood cells help in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Answer C. Platelets. 29. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Earth. Answer C. Mercury. 30. What type of energy is used in solar panels? A. Mechanical energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Solar energy. Answer D. Solar energy.